In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a fire in some marginal fire tinder and a little survival necklace. Now, I routinely take a pack of steel wool with me when I go into the woods to clean my pots and pans when I'm out there, but it also serves another purpose. Now, a lot of people know that you use steel wool with a 9-volt battery and start you a good fire. Just unroll it, fluff it up. Got it? Now, you can start a fire that way. But realistically, how many times are you going to bring a 9-volt battery with you in the woods? Let me show you another way. Now, it's been raining and everything here is soaking wet. And look what we found. We found us a nice little bird's nest. This thing has not been in use. So, we're going to use it to start a fire. Now, all this stuff up off the ground it's still kind of damp. It's actually still pretty wet, but it's going to be drier than the stuff on the ground, and it's going to give us a better chance to start this fire. Not only can you use a 9-volt battery on this, and it's the most common way that people are most used to seeing, but it'll also accept a spark. You can just put any kind of a spark in here, and it's going to light. And it burns very hot and very fast. All right, I got some fat wood shavings here. And you're just gonna make some off of this fat wood, and this is gonna ensure that you get a fire. And it's gonna catch on fire and burn all that wet tinder. All right, so what I have here is a survival necklace, and it throws off small sparks. So it's enough to get this ignited. So you might get 1 or 2 of these little fibers on, but you gotta blow, and once you blow it, it'll start getting hotter. And we're going to use that to start us a fire with wet tinder. So we got a bird's nest there, and we're going to go ahead and fluff up this, stick it down in here. Now we're going to add some fat wood shavings. Now, you probably could get these fat wood shavings to ignite just with that small necklace, but this is going to be the easiest way and make sure that you actually get a fire. So it only takes a little bitty spark. So now, once your stuff is all lit up and the fat wood shavings start catching on fire, you're gonna have yourself a good, nice little fire. Now you can just add even more fat wood shavings if you want to, or you can even do little shavings or strips of fat wood to keep your fire going longer. So it's very easy. This is a real quick video. You could use just this little survival necklace. You could also use a 9-volt battery, but realistically, who's going to carry one in the woods? Steel wool is amazing stuff. I use it to clean my pots and pans when I'm in the woods, and once it dries out, you can still use it for fire tinder. You can also just use a regular ferro rod to ignite the steel wool. But in the event that you don't have the ferro rod with you and all you have is something like this or a small used lighter, you could use that to start your fire. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, follow Jesus, everything else will fall into place. I'll see you next time. God bless you.